how to change time to 24-hour from 12-hour in your Windows. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so you may follow out these methods. Press Windows plus I for that and access our settings for that first of all. And once we are there, we can head over to time and language and go ahead and click on it. After that, we should be finding option called language and reason, this one right here. So go ahead and click on this option and these options open up. And here we can look out for the option called regional format, this one right here. Once we find it up, we can look out for recommended. And here we can choose up another reason and go ahead and change our reason according to our time and format. So we have recommended United States, you can click on it. Otherwise, you can choose English for your own time range and just go ahead and set it up. This is one of the method available. Apart from that, what we can do is we can also look out for the option called date and time and click on it. And once we click on it, we can just go over and basically look out for the option called show time and date in the system tray. You can turn this option on and make it 24 hours if that option is available here. Just go over and do so. Also, you can change your reason, go to time and language here itself, go to date and time, language and reason, and choose up your country and reason according to your own time status. After that, go ahead and apply it up, and that should also work out for you. If that does not change on taskbar, we can just go and press Windows plus R, type in control, hit enter, and go to the option for clock and reason, this one right here. And within there, click on reason, and I got for additional settings here. And set the short time, this one right here, to this format, HSMMTT or this HMMTT. And that just go ahead and apply it up, or click on this option called HSMM as well and click on OK and apply the changes. You can just go and do so. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.